Hello guys! For today's video, we are going to make tuna pie, or we called it tuna melt. Trim edges of sliced breads. Flatten with a rolling pin. In a bowl, combine tuna, onion, and 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add salt, ground pepper, and mix until it's well blended. Add 1/3 cups of cheddar cheese and mix it. Just add the desired amount of tuna filling. Roll and seal sides using a fork. Dip in the beaten eggs until evenly coated. Roll in breadcrumbs. Heat the cooking oil in the pan. Fry until all sides are crispy and golden. Remove from oil and place on the paper towel to drain. And ready to serve. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified to our next video. Bye-bye!